Hey, what's good everyone? Local Iceman here. We got a code red going on right here. Code red. We have a broken player bench door handle. And our handles, these things are so old and cheese balled up, and it's just, God, it's an embarrassment. Anyway, these boards, like I said in previous videos, came from another rink. So these boards themselves are like 22 years old right now, but the metal structure and the frame and the door handles and everything came from another rink that was probably 30 years in before it was shut down. So we've done a lot of repairs and welding on these things. We're gonna have to really do something long term about these player bench doors. I don't know what the answer is other than rebuilding everything, but we got to get this thing fixed for tonight's game. So I'm gonna need to take all this plastic off. I guess someone's gonna weld this back on for me, and probably we'll see what else needs to be done to make it so it's shored up and ready to go for tonight's games. So what I'm gonna have to do is take the plastic off, take the wood off, and take some more wood off. And we got some pry bars with some wood. We'll pop it off the hinge right there, cart it to the truck, and bring it down to be welded. So let's go ahead and get at it. To give you a better look at what's going on here, this little piece here gonna act as a guide, I guess. Broke off, so these things are so janky. And there's, I guess we could weld new handles onto it. That would be the way to go. That's something to do when we take the ice out. We have to address this shenanigans. All right, so got it off. Let's go ahead and door off the hinge here. All right, we'll get the dolly and we'll get this thing over right to the truck.
This slides in here and drops on top of that pin?
Yeah. There we go. On the top.
Just hold my fingers down. It goes down. Almost. What do you think?
It needs to go.
A little bit.
This bottom needs to go this way a little bit. Oop, we get it?
I think so.
Out of the way.
Take your foot back.
Here we go.
You like using that one too?
Yeah. All right, get everything slapped back together. Handles tracking nicely. Eric did a nice job on the weld there. Thank you very much. I had to drill out the top 3 screws. They were all rusted out, giving me a really hard time getting out. But other than that, everything went pretty smooth. It's tracking nice. It's opening pretty good. It's closing pretty good. So I'm pretty happy. Again, thanks, Eric. That's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. As always, hope you learned something. Like the local Iceman says, stay cool.